In this lesson, we will understand what is the models component of LangChain. Let us see. Models, as the name suggests, refers to your LLMs, that is large language models. It can also include your embedding models. These models are actually responsible for managing, understanding, generating and transforming text based on the input received. Let us see the types. The models in LangChain can include LLMs and it can also include the embedding models. Some of the examples of LLMs are the GPT models, Meta's Llama models. They are the brains of LangChain applications so that you can perform text generation, text summarization, translation, problem solving and others. It has the capability of generating human-like text. It can also answer questions, summarize content and perform other operations. Then comes your embedding models. This is used to convert your text into numerical representations, that is embeddings. This is used for tasks like document retrieval, clustering, so that you can easily enable systems to find relevant information at a fast pace. Now let us see why these models are important. They actually provide the intelligence and are the brain behind LangChain applications. So that tasks like creating content, summarizing text, question answering can be easily achieved. By combining both the LLM as well as your embedding models, LangChain can be used to build powerful systems. So guys, we saw what is the models component in LangChain.